much take for granted that the things we wear, all these things come in colors.
What is going on, YouTube? What is going on? Rachel here. Today I'm going to be doing an update video. If you watched a few months ago, I had a tour of my sort of like chill creative room, and it's been a few months, and since then I've decided that it needed to be updated, so I gave it a little bit of a makeover. Some things are the same, but I painted some stuff, added some stuff, so I just want to show that to you today. Room update, because a lot of people seem to enjoy that room tour. So here we go with the update. The first thing that I want to give you a tour of is this bookshelf. If you remember before, this shelf was brown. It's actually like a good quality shelf. It came with the house, how it used to be, and I'll show what it used to look like right here. And basically I just updated it. I painted it and the wall to this like light gray color, took off the LED light, put on, actually this is a little bit of a better quality light, and painted it light gray, and the wall is just dark gray like the rest of the wall. Most of it's the same. I still have my rock lamp, some books and stuff. I added a little bit of storage space with some of these baskets over here, because ever since I started Post Normal, I have more just like project stuff that I have to keep, and so that's a good area for that. So this is the updated wall bookshelf, and I think this is definitely like the biggest upgrade that I've done in this room. It's pretty dope. It's pretty clean. I like it. The next thing I added was a desk here. It doesn't have a lot of decorations on it yet, except for this like emoji fire light that I got from Target, and I have a light in there to kind of give a light up look, cubby look. I'm gonna show this room with the lights off so that you can see that. Over here, not too much going on. I got a stool. Ignore this TV. I was gonna put a TV in here, but this TV is way too big. If I do add a TV, it'd have to be a lot smaller than this. This is the TV that I was gonna use. It's just way too big. But I did add like a little nook area with the pillows. Kind of cute and comfortable. Sofa and everything still the same. That area is mostly the same. I moved this little table and made a little bit of a nook area under the Rick and Morty poster here. Got the soft pillow going. This is a great space to read a book or something. So yeah, that's like kind of the update for this room. It's coming together really well. There's a mirror there, and then I got my bean bag. That's been there for a while. That's not really a new thing. And that's it. Oh, and this light here. These are little string lights. It just to add like a little flare here over the sofa light. So let me turn the lights off and you can see. Boom. Lights. Now the nice thing about this light here is when it's nighttime, right now it's not nighttime, the sun is kind of going down, but when it is nighttime, they actually shine, and I'll get a shot of it, but they actually shine opposite of this window, and if you look a certain way, it looks like there are like some stars coming from the window. But yeah, this is it with the lights off. Little bonsai plant there that I added. I'm gonna put more plants in here. I got a candle in the corner. Yeah, I'll add some more plants because that adds a really natural element to the room. My goal was to have something that was modern, straightforward, clean, but also have some warm, colorful elements. That is my room update. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions about anything that I got, the desk I got from Wayfair. This tapestry here behind me, I think I got from just Wish. I think I, yeah, like ordered it from Wish, and of course it took forever to get here, but it's up now. Paint can completely transform a room. So that's what I did. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to message me. Subscribe to my channel at GlowFits. Follow me on Instagram at GlowFits. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the week.